Still waiting on your PC? Upgrade to the Beelink GTi13, the mini monster that demolishes deadlines. Stuck watching your computer think while your tasks pile up? You're not alone. The modern hustle needs modern horsepower, but your slow, overheating dinosaur of a PC keeps gaslighting your grind. Whether you're editing, designing, or gaming, nothing kills creativity faster than lag, crashes, and endless loading screens. It's like working with a passive-aggressive robot. You're on the clock, but your system's still on yesterday's vibes. Deadlines are real, and your tool should push you forward, not make you want to throw your mouse across the room. Enough with the suffering. You deserve a machine that moves at your speed, or faster. Now crank that frustration up to 11. Your juggling projects, video calls, editing, and maybe a few guilty pleasure game sessions. Meanwhile, your current PC is choking harder than a dollar store fan in summer. The fans sound like a jet engine, your apps crawl like molasses, and even Google Docs feels like a challenge. What started as a minor annoyance has become a full-blown productivity crisis. Every crash, every freeze, every spinning wheel of doom eats your time and sanity. You're not working smarter, you're just working harder, against your own tech. And it's slowly burning you out. Enter the Beelink GTi13 Ultra Mini PC, a pint-sized powerhouse that laughs in the face of lag. Packing a 14-core, 20-thread Intel Core i9-13900HK that boosts up to 5.4 GHz, this mini beast is engineered for multitasking madness. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, it slices through workloads like butter. The Intel Iris say graphics punches 4K at 144 Hz without breaking a sweat. And if you're craving even more juice, hook up a full-sized GPU via the PCIe X8 slot. Throw in voice commands, fingerprint login, built-in dual speakers, and a whisper-quiet cooling system. Now we're talking revolution. Forget the clutter and chaos of clunky towers. The Beelink GTi13 is all killer, no filler. With Wi-Fi 6, MSC 2.0 cooling, AI voice recognition, and noise-canceling mic, it's a full-suite performance machine hiding in a minimalist shell. Whether you're running Photoshop, editing 4K video, gaming, or building digital empires in your pajamas, this rig makes it effortless. Boot up in seconds. Multitask like a maniac. And never hear your fans scream again. It's quiet. It's fast. It's freakishly smart. And it does everything, without acting like it needs a nap every hour. Work smarter, not slower. Don't let weak gear wreck your workflow or sanity. Ditch the digital deadweight and level up to the Beelink GTi13 Ultra Mini PC, where firepower meets finesse in a bite-sized shell. With upgradable RAM, up to 64 GB, SSD, up to 8 TB, and GPU dock support, this machine grows with you. Whether you're a creative pro, power user, or performance junkie, this beast was made to hustle. So why wait for another crash to convince you? Hit that buy button. Upgrade your life. Dominate your tasks. And turn every deadline into a victory lap. It's your move, don't blow it.